My pretty!
Come on. Are you trying to get it open?
I don't know. I just found it. It was in one of the drawers.
Oh, cool. I got it open.
Hello.
Hi folks, Dylan here with today's episode for Tabletop Foundry. Today we're doing something special. We've kind of hinted at it before, and today though we're going to introduce this. This is called a Vinci Cryptex. It can be found on Thingiverse. It is a relatively complex print, right Justin?
For the most part.
And we finally assembled it today. So today we're going to sit there and take you through the process of printing it, our building, and eventually even showing this off to my group on Wednesday when we get to play. Stay tuned. So through the magic of cinema and so forth, we have a second Cryptex that just got done being printed. Magic. As you can see here, this is some of the pieces you're going to need. You're going to need the inner tube, which has locking rings on it, the middle tube, or the outer tube if you will, which is what keeps the rings aligned, the clackers, and the end cap. And for this one though, as you can see here, we're only printing 4 rings instead of 5 that it comes with. This is going to be a simpler puzzle and more of just a decoration. And besides these rings, you're going to need to print off your inner rings. Unfortunately, we haven't done that yet, and we will show you everything during the assembly process. So from here, folks, you can see that we did the dry fitting of this one. For the most part, it fits, everything goes together, and the only other thing that you will kind of need for this build, some good old Gorilla Glue. Disclaimer, do not put this in your hair. We used, what type of hammer is this?
It's just an aluminum hammer.
We used an aluminum hammer, but something that would not destroy it. The ring, when you sit there and you put the 2 rings together using the concussive force, will stretch out the outer ring, not compress the inner ring. Let's see how badly he gets frustrated, folks.
Not too long. Never questioned the blacksmith.
Okay, and is that set on S?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. So folks, sometimes you just have to sit there and use a little physical labor to sit there and get these things to set right. We're going to do this for the next 4 rings and see if we can get this thing assembled today. Stay tuned. And then once, before you do the final assembly, make sure you paint it however you want. We did this with a base coat of black primer, or
Nope, that was gray primer, and then we used color shift metallic, followed by very much a dirty copper, and then our blue wash.
Yep. And this is now the final product. The only thing that we have not been able to do is one of the rings is seized in the permanent solution way. What's nice about it though is my players will not be able to figure out which way it is. Does it start with an N or does it end with an N? Who knows? So let's see how long it actually takes them to figure it out and see if they come crying to us to give them the solution to see what's inside. What's inside the box? What's in the box? So, Dylan and Justin here at Tabletop Foundry. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.